Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video I'm going to go through a mobile landing page that converts at 46%, and I'm going to show you, kind of just walk you through the page and why it does that, okay? So what you're looking at now is the landing page in our landing page software builder, Instapage. I'll drop a link for Instapage in the description below this video so you guys can get in here and play around with the designs yourself. And this is the editor, this is what you're looking at. So come up here, logo, main call to action, subheadline. So we have here a button that's clicks and you pop up a form. You can see it here. So these are legitimate leads: name, email, phone, type of problem they have. Tell us about your issue. These aren't just emails, okay? Another call to action to click to call here. This button is click to call, so when they're on mobile, they're just going to be able to click this, and I'm going to show you the mobile version, so hang with me for a minute. I'm just walking through the page first. Services, so we cover all the services that they're looking for, how it works, little content blurb about how the client does it with the insurance and all that stuff. Down here we have some proof stuff where you'll have your Better Business Bureau badge, Angie's List awards, whatever, whatever your proof stuff is here. Below that, we'll just drop a few pictures, anywhere from 4 to 6 pictures about showing your team out repairing windshields or doing whatever. And then below that we have social proof. Now this has to be legitimate social proof, not just text boxes with quotes in them, okay? That won't work. This has to be like, they can be Yelp reviews, they can be Facebook reviews, they can be Google reviews, whatever review site they use. Copy or paste those in here, all right? We want as many as you possibly can have. This guy only had 2, so we had to work with what we had. Then below that, final call to action, and it's a click to call. Now, 95% of the traffic coming to this landing page is mobile, and I'm going to show you the mobile version right now. We'll come up here to mobile, and you can see here in Instapage, everything's just drag and drop. It's so easy to build landing pages and A/B test them and do all that stuff. All right, so this is the mobile version. We just rearranged it nice and neat. The button's still going to be a pop-up on the phone. Looks great. Button, click to call. Still have our services. Then we have our how it works stuff, customers, social proof, final call to action. It's very simple mobile page. The most important thing I can stress to you guys of why this works so well is our message match is perfect. All right, so what do I mean by that? Our ads in Google Ads that are driving traffic to this mobile page you're looking at all say the same thing that it says the second you land on the page. They're talking about mobile auto glass repair services, fixing chips, cracks, and scratches. All of this text is actually in the ads. So the message match is perfect. They know exactly what they're getting when they land here. They have a problem. We're offering a solution in the first 3 seconds that they land on the page. They can get a free quote, or they can call right now, or they can just exit the page and leave. Those are the only options we want to give them. And that's why this page works so well. So if you guys have any questions about this page, or if you want to tear through this page, I'm actually going to drop the live URL link for this page in the description below this video, and you guys can take a look at it yourself and play around with it. And I'll also put a link to the Instapage sign up so you can play around with the free trial and create these pages yourself. I think it's important that you play around in there and build these pages for yourself, because you're never really going to learn until you do that. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to our channel, which should be hovering in the bottom right of the screen you're looking at right now. And if you're interested in learning more about creating these types of high converting pages, our course, Landing Page Academy, I'll drop a link to that in the description as well, along with a few other things. And besides that, I will catch you guys in the next video. One last thing, guys, I almost forgot to show you the proof of this landing page. All right, so this is the landing page we deploy for all of our mobile windshield clients that we get. And if you go to our website for this, you can see here is a live version of it. Our lead generation websites, auto glass repair. You can see here in this case study, this was this exact, well, they're all this page, but they're all tweaked with different information because they're all different clients. But you can see here, conversion rate, 46%. Getting $17 leads, got 98 leads in the last 30 days of June when we were running this campaign, June 30th to July 30th. Guy spent $1,600, 98 leads. All right, remember, these are high quality leads, as we just showed you. These are not email submissions. And this works over and over again. $22 a lead, 42% conversion rate, 58 conversions in 30 days. I think this one was really killing it. 49% conversion rate, 63 leads, $25 conversion for 30 days. So this works, okay? Sorry, I wanted to throw that in there. I know I just ended the video, but I had to dump that back in there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys later.